How to create an account in the Remini AI app. First, tap on the Remini app you just downloaded. Let it load for a few seconds. Once it opens, tap on Get Started. Let's go. Now it will ask you what brings you to Remini. You can choose things like animate old photos, fix blurry pics, enhance or generate AI photos. Pick the one you like. Don't worry, you can explore all later. Scroll through the community rules and tap Agree to keep the Remini world safe and fun. Select your gender to help personalize your AI experience. Ta-da! You are now inside. And surprise! You will see a pop-up saying you got a 2-week free trial. Nice! You can now start enhancing photos, creating AI portraits and more. Get creative. And that's how you create an account on Remini AI in just a few taps. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video, subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.